There's somebody outside refusing, I guess, to get a tow. Let's look outside my window. Apparently, there's the police car. It's police. There's the tow truck. I don't know what they're doing. I heard glass crack, so. I think this guy is refusing to tow his car. Here's the police. There's another car that's not mine. I guess it's next door to me. It's not really willing to cooperate. I don't know why the police is here. Oh my god. I heard a big bunch of glass crack earlier. I don't know why you're towing away a car. They're not towing away this one. This one's parked here for about 2 days. That one's just been parked here for a day. That one down there has been parked there for about a week. Guess they're towing it away for some reason. It's the police. Well, it's like the old grass to the door. Actually, here's my door to my outside. Well, dang. I guess this is it. Bye.